Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channels. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you and guide you on how to pay with Revolut Virtual Card. Okay, so since this cards is not active in our country, so I was just going to guide you. Okay, so please make sure to follow all of the steps. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is how Revolut cards work. So Revolut virtual cards are really simple to create and use. You can create one in the app, okay, and use it just like an ordinary debit card. And then once it appears in your Revolut app alongside the details of your physical card, you can use it right away for shopping and spending. You can do this by adding it to a mobile wallet like Google Pay and using that to pay at the cash register. This is how you'll use Revolut virtual cards for contactless payments in stores, but you can also enter the 16-digit number at checkout when shopping online. Now, what is Revolut Virtual Card for? Virtual cards can do everything that standard debit cards can, with one notable exception. You can use them for online, app, and in-store purchases, but you can withdraw cash from an ATM with a virtual card. This is because they aren't physical, so there's no mag stripe or chip and pin to use at the ATM. Now, is the Revolut virtual card free? Every Revolut user gets their first virtual card for free, no matter what plan you're on. But if you want a second one, you'll either need to upgrade your plan or pay a fee. And that's it. That's all of the things that you'll need to do about a Revolut virtual card. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.